Hello friends, welcome to the learning session on Microsoft Azure. In the previous sessions, we have discussed how to create a group, how to create a user, how to change the password. Now, we are going to again create a new user and we are going to see if that new user can create resources in Microsoft Azure. So let's get started. Let's access the portal menu, access the Microsoft Entra ID, go to users under manage option. We have 3 users, click new user, specify the name of the user. Copy this user information, copy this password, click next, next again. Add a role. I will select global administrator for the role. Select, next, review and create. Let's create. The user is successfully created. Let's hit refresh to display the user. It's here, Pizza. This is the username. I'm taking a new session for portal.azure.com. I'll use the new account that I just created. Pizza, it will prompt me for the password. Enter the password that we copied when we created the account. Sign in. It will prompt to change the password. Note down the password immediately. Cancel this wizard. Now we are logged in as a new user. Let's try and create a resource. The very first thing that we need is a resource group. Let's access resource group. Click create. Select the subscription. The very first thing that you need to create any resource in Microsoft Azure is a subscription. Though we have given the subscription, it still says the subscription is missing. When we created the user, we did not associate this user with any group. Cancel this. What is missing here? The user did not have access to the subscription. In order to access the Azure resources, including subscription, it requires role-based access control role assignments, such as owner role, contributor role, or reader role. Now, how we are going to fix this? We will assign the contributor role to the group via subscription. That way, whenever a new user is created, we just need to associate that user with this group, and that way user will automatically gain access to the subscription. We took a new session to the main account to change the subscription. Let's go to the portal menu. Let's access the subscription. Either we can search for the subscription in the portal menu, we can go to the resources, or we can search for subscription in the home page. We have subscription on the home page. Let's go there, access the subscription, go to the access control, click add, select add role assignment, and we are gonna assign the contributor role. Go to privilege administrator role, select contributor, say next, select members. Instead of associating the user, we will associate contributor role to the group, so that when we add a new user in future, we can directly associate that new user with the group, and thus the new user will automatically gain access to the subscription feature. Let's select the group, click select, say next. Azure Security Group Admin is selected. Click Review plus Assign, adding role assignment. This has added the contributor role to the group. Now user associated with this group will automatically gain access to the subscription. Using the same approach, we added the contributor role to both the groups. Now we will use either of the group to associate with the user to allow him gain access to the Azure subscription. We will use the other sign-in to associate the user with the group. Let's go back to the home portal menu, access the Entra ID, access the groups option, click all groups. We have 2 groups created. Access one of the group, add members. This group, Azure Group Contributor Admins, has 2 members. Let's add one more member. This member is the new user that we just created. Select this new user, Pizza, select member successfully added, refresh. Now, in order to let these settings take effect, we need to sign out and sign back in. Let's log out, sign out. Let's sign back in, enter the password. We are signed in. Let's try create the resource again. Access the resource group. Earlier, the account was not associated with any subscription, and thus we were not able to see anything in that resource group. It was showing us empty. Now it shows there are two resource groups, the network watcher RG, which is the default resource group, and the other resource group that was created by other user. Let's try and create a resource group. Same subscription, Azure subscription 1. That is the only subscription this account has. RG Pizza. This is a pizza resource group. Now it didn't give us any error. Let's select the region where our resources will be created. Region is nothing but Azure data center. Either we can choose the default East US or another one. I look for UAE. UAE North is there. Instead of East US, I selected UAE North. This is the region where my resource group will be created. Let's click review and create. And my resource group is created. Resource group created. Let's hit refresh. Right now it shows only two resource groups which are from the previous executions. Let's hit refresh and it should show three resource group now. This one is just created, RG Pizza RG. That's all. Thank you.